Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we have uploaded all your certificates of presentation, paper presentation, and the participation certificates are being uploaded on the website of Geospatial Mapping. As many of you are facing a problem of downloading your individual certificates, so I make this video to help you out to how to download your individual certificate from website using your mobile. As many of you are not having a laptop or a computer, so it is very easy to download a certificate from the website using your mobile phone. First of all, you just have to go to the Google and type geospatial mapping, or you can use the link that I have sent you on the Telegram or on the WhatsApp groups. You can use the direct link or you can type over here in the Google geospatial mapping. Then after typing this, the website will be visible to you. Go to the website, then on the right corner there you can see these three lines. Just click these three lines, then you will be able to see this type of window opened. Then click the webinar over here. After clicking a webinar, this type of page will open. If you are a paper presenter, so you can download your paper presentation certificate from this link, or you are participant only, then you can download your certificate from this link. So these two links are separately provided for the participants who are paper presenters and who are the participants only. So friends, if you are participant, just click this link and your file will be downloaded. As many of you much of certificates, and you can search your certificate from here, type your name over here and go to the certificate. Then after knowing your number, like your number is 2, second certificate is yours, then click the print button. Then this type of window will open. Now as you are seeing that there you can see all the certificates are coming in the portrait format, but the certificate are in the landscape. So you have to do some settings over here. So the settings will be the paper size. Just click this settings over here, paper size. Just click this paper size letter over where the letter is written. In this, click the letter button. Then you will see a lots of options here. Select ISO A4. Then in the orientation option, just click the landscape one. Select the landscape button. Orientation, select orientation landscape. Then as you are seeing that all 655 pages are here and you just want your certificate only, so click this and you will see all 655 and range of 655. So select range of 655. Write your certificate number, like if your certificate is 2, 5, 300, 400 or whatever your certificate number is, just write your number over here. Like I am going to download the second certificate, so I have written 2 over here. Then this type of window will open. You can directly save it over here, or you can create a folder. Like I'm going to create a folder with the name certificate. After writing a certificate, I am going to click this create. So a new folder is created with the name certificate. Then after, just click this certificate and save button. After saving this, you can see this single certificate, and this type of single certificate will be there in your mobile drive in the printable format. So this is how you can download your single individual certificate in the printable format. Thank you all for watching. Kindly subscribe the channel for the next workshop, the 2 days workshop that we are going to organize on 3rd and 4th of October. So do not forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.